what's up, YouTube? It's your girl, Just One Key. Just One Key. And I'm back with another quarantine wig slate. So the wig that I'm bringing to you guys today is something that I saw at my local beauty supply store like 2 weeks ago. I had my eye on it and I just decided to pick her up. She is by Red Carpet Premiere. It says she's a swoop bang lace wig. Her name is RCSB204 IBIS. IBIS, and I have her in the color 1B, and it says she's made from a Futura fiber Kanekalon, and she has a 5-inch deep lace party. And a lot of my wigs nowadays are going to be simple colors because I can't wear colors to work like I used to on my old job, so I only have to keep it to natural colors. So a lot of my wigs are going to be 4s, 2s, 1B, 1B30, 1B33, and like I said, this one is in the color 1B. And this is what this girl is looking like out of the packaging. The quality of the hair is almost like a silky, but she's not shiny silky. And the wig is kind of thin to me. I was hoping it'll be a little thicker, but the density of the hair is thin. The construction of the cap is your basic 2 combs in the front, 1 comb in the back, and the adjustable straps. And I paid $22.99 for this wig. And I'm going to see if I can find it online. And if I do, I'll leave the link below if you're interested in this wig. I went ahead and plucked the lace parting already. And I did cut the lace off. So we will see what this girl is looking like on my head. But so far, my fingers are going straight through. I don't recall getting any shedding, but we'll see what it's like when I put it on. Be right back. Okay, you guys, so this is Miss Ibis on my head. Let me give you guys a 360. Okay, so this wig I want to say is maybe 22 inches. She goes right to a little past the middle of my back. And she reminds me of Jordan by Sensational from the Feather and Flare collection, but she's longer, obviously, than Jordan. But this one, I don't know. I'm going to have to get her together. I initially liked her when I saw her on the mannequin, so I figured, you know, I could work with her. So let's get her together, and I will see what I can come up with and tell you guys my final on my head now that I've gotten her together. I did go ahead and put some powder in the parting area. I think I need to pluck the part a little bit more right at the beginning so it could blend seamlessly from my forehead, from my hairline into the wig. I prefer my wigs to do that. Other than that, she's a cute wig. She do a little yang. I did take the blow dryer and flatten the humpage right here. It had a little bit of volume here, and I don't really care for that, so I did flatten that a little bit. I probably could have went in a little bit more, but other than that, she's cute for a little whatever. I do wish though that the density of the hair was a little bit thicker. And I didn't mention that she does come with glue tape. If you're interested in, you know, taping her down, you have the option to do that as well. I'm not gonna do that. I like to put my wigs on and take them off. That's so much more convenient for me. But I think that she's a cute wig. I think that she's good for, I'll wear her to work. I'll wear something like this to work. She is a bit long, but I think she's manageable, and I can maybe easily throw her in a ponytail. So I give her 2 thumbs up. She's cute for whatever, but I don't know how long she's gonna last. She's cute. Yeah. So that's another quarantine slate for you guys. While you're not doing anything, you're not going to work, try to watch my videos. Go and catch up on the old videos that you haven't. And hopefully by the time you see this, I'll have 1 video up already. Go check that one out, and I hope to put another one out as well. Anyways, thanks for stopping by. Like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already. Deuces.